First I marked how far up the glue had to go. I then applied the glue, making sure the whole area was covered. Once glued, set the leg in place and pre-drill. Use the larger bit then for countersinking the heads. Then screw the leg into place. I'm only going to put one screw in for now, just till I make sure that everything's lined up alright. It's now time to attach the lower frame. I used 2 sticks to support the frame whilst I attached it. Could have done with another set of hands for this, but anyway. asked me about out of puff for the day again. Perfect. Great stuff. Let's throw the rest of the screws in and that'll be her for today. So hopefully this will be starting to take shape. You're out of battery. And that's her. I'll just clean the excess glue off and see how it goes. Okay, so that's everything glued and screwed so far. Because it's screwed, I'm not really worried about moving it. So I'm going to turn it upside down, give you an idea of what it'll look like. It'll also give me a chance to clean the glue underneath it before it sticks to the floor, which is a heavy beast. So that's what it's going to look like. And this, I'm hoping will squeeze in underneath. Here's hoping this still fits. Almost as if it's made to measure. Great stuff. And I'm going to put a few wee bits of shelving down, and that'll be 3 wee cupboards.